Hello students, today I'm gonna teach you is to are to am to was to were to. So we have been studying that is to are to am to, like we can't use to with the helping forms, which is quite wrong. Okay, so is to are to am to was to and were to, we have to use to reflect our important action towards our task. Okay, so when something or any situation which is quite important for you to do, so in that case we have to use is to, am to, are to, okay, plus verb first form. For example, I am to go to school, which means it is important for me to go school. I am to get up early in the morning, which means it is very important to me to get up early in the morning. Similarly, was to and were to, we have to use for our past incidents or our past important action. I was to get up early, which means it was very important for me to get up early in the morning. Similarly, with plural, we have to use were. Were to. We were to go to wedding, which means it is very important for us to went there, or which means those people were important for us. That's the reason we went over there. Thank you.